Welcome to Vention Tips. Today, we'll delve into machine analytics, guiding you on how to master its dashboards and enhance your decision-making for the operation of your Vention machines. This will encompass three core sections: the fleet dashboard, the performance dashboard, and the health dashboard. You can access all of these directly from Machine Portal, seamlessly integrated into the cloud. Let's start with the fleet dashboard. At a glance, this dashboard presents an overview of every Vention machine connected to MachineAnalytics. Each tile signifies a unique machine, showcasing its current status, whether it's running, idling, ESOP, or offline. Curious about the machine? Just click on More Info. This brings you to the Performance dashboard. This section provides live data about the operational programs on your machine. To the left, the cycle count indicates completed cycles as set in your machine logic program. If you want to learn more about how to set up cycles in your machine logic program, check out our secondary tutorial. On the right, the average cycle time is displayed, which computes the average time between cycle starts and ends, showing you both the shortest and longest cycle times. And don't miss the runtime section. It offers insights on time spent in each status. You can customize the view by choosing different applications that have been running on your machine from the drop-down menu, and by adjusting the time ranges. To navigate through time intervals, use the arrow keys on either side of the current time period. At the bottom of the page, there's the hardware status window, giving you details about the machine motion controllers and pendants in your system. Clicking on More Info will bring you to the Health dashboard. You can dive deeper here to explore the details of your machine motion controller along with the external wired components. To the right, there's the Activity Log, a place where system statuses and runtime or operational notifications are recorded. The top bar retains the ability to cycle through different time ranges. Below, graphs depict vital machine motion stats, including CPU usage, CPU temperature, memory usage, and disk usage. Further down, you can monitor drive temperatures to ensure your system operates efficiently. You'll also see the drive status, and motor sizes of all motorized actuators. Finally, at the page's end, you can identify each control module connected to your system by its unique device ID, including I/O modules, power modules, push-button modules, and more. Now, with these tools, you can make informed decisions towards optimizing machine operations with confidence. That wraps up our journey through machine analytics dashboards. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy designing.